Good morning. Apa kita new captain pun. So our new captain. Dorsett. We're waiting for the captain. Mommy, Auntie Bethlehem, and then same place I played last time. We're gonna go back and eat that good breakfast one more time. Oui, akara captain. Eat breakfast amang sa captain. Patsa gitu ngiri captain rapat. Glakit check in niri. At pisek. Ya. Sampai Krishna para captain check ya para patsa tiri kaya. Ya. Seranip captain. Seranip. Einer. What's that? Portuguese sausage? Oh, chicken tocino. Tocino. Tocino. More eggs.
Coming from Chuukese mainland.
Mainline.
You don't want to use the book.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice meeting you.
I actually see you. I always following you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
That's a pretty cool song you've been singing us.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna get some food. My sister. Thank you. Ito parehas in nine. Here you can know what YouTube. I mean follow what YouTube. Oh. Ya, pero kata pun kami kecil. Ini barang benda nak makan. Apa? Kalau sampai steak, buat apa? Oh, bagus.
Jag tycker jag är mycket bra.
Iwo, kira cek apa saya itu op kapuk. Jadi,
Okay, Jeffrey.
kayak snow mau pur-pur. Apa saya itu?
I'm Jeffrey from Chuk.
Jadi sama cawai dari kamu.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Mira, vamos na kataran YouTube pan. Okay. Mira, Cristo.
Okay, thank you.
So ito mo wesira poros niya. Okay, Fifin, we check now one. Another bit, we check what jury the client. Yeah, para kaya we check fossil. Many insurance for now one. Car for insurance, yeah. Many, we check PC. PC matter. PC matter. Yeah, that why they were Dorsett minor. Me chachaki. Sir, now check. Sewa serar kan mucha cancerar pek. Rewas bernanan. Ini ilar mito. Mi cepat sa para Arab much. Och så med ötchiri ifa kaufo captain kaufo michak na ofetar ngero kesa keter michak fer yara agne kekefetar ne arranchiri akar muche upon na iri akar muchak captain vetekar ne na sekretari ra michak pon no one this is fataro. All right guys, good evening or good afternoon. Today is Sunday, so we're gonna end the day with dinner with families and friends. So we're gonna be going to a place called.
Is that on me?
Yeah, it is on
Can
you.
you restart that?
No, I cannot restart it.
I didn't know you were recording
No, it's okay. Anyway, we're gonna be going to what's the name of this place? Nikko? Oh, I'm not too sure what it's called. Anyway, that's the place we're going to. So thank you to our family here on Guam for once again just helping us out, and thank you for your hospitality, and thank you for just being generous to come and treat us at this very beautiful place here on the island of Guam. We're gonna miss this place. One more day, and then Monday and then Tuesday, then we'll be heading back. All right, happy Sunday. We'll see you guys in the inside. beautiful island of Guam. Or beautiful is it state of Guam or island of Guam. Here's my companion, Instant. We're very busy. Look, we're in the parking lot trying to upload some videos. Staying busy. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're at a restaurant. We're at a hotel that's connected to a restaurant. We're gonna have our last family dinner. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm tired. I'm burnt out. We're gonna eat a lot. We're gonna have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we start eating.
Subscribe to this guy.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Alright. Yeah, one load not easy. Everything on this menu is free. All the drinks. Everything is free. We're still waiting for Captain.
Yepin drink medical kana ayura soda karapun soda waragani ice tea bosha glass even ice tea masha na bosha even lock can you guys get soda?
Would you have soda?
Yeah.
No.
What kind of soda? Yeah. Yeah, Mishan. Ngayon.
Ilang siya? After. Ilan? Okay, right? Pero mo so siguro. Good. Good. Sulat siya din siya.
Masyadong niya ito.
Para pa apatalo okay din siya. Para pasalo really and KJP Mars. Mars.
Ito ang isa.
Meso.
It's okay.
Let's pray.
Gusto umaga ito, kung mamulot. Tapos ko lang ang ito. Kapalang ang family, and M3E, kaya may atong itungan kung dito. May good mga tour, kung manaman ang player. Ano kami sa bulagwat yung, while pleasing kami siyang mga nagiging, na may support. Ang quote kasi mo dyan, kung wala po yung statement, ang komentar, yung ako nila parang, yung mga resis,
Biscuits. Mashed potato. Seafood bar. Some sort of curry. Short ribs. And then we got this one. This one. Say hi. Introduce yourself again.
My name is Anjay.
Okay. It's cute to have you on the vlog. Man of the hour. Hey. Very cool. Maybe see the cake apple. Sekarang angkat Dorsett. Apun. Wait.
Okay, so this was what. Potato is small cheese are very frequent here. Kaya schools gusto ko lang. This is what I have.
I have the seafood platter right here, and then some more seafood. And then the rest will be everyone just having a great time. All the kids are on the other side. Bam, bam, bam. This side, Elston and his gang. Okay, yeah, everyone started to. Aynen. İyi çıkartıran muç.
Ne var?
Westçe papaktı.
Naalam. Shrimp ka na paano sa rin. Pwede na.
Oh. Bibo. Ben, what, you having fun? You enjoy? That's good. Justin, you want to take the lead? No, I mean that's the mic, but you can need it.
Oh, all right. Wait, what do I sing? What do I sing?
Why don't you take off? So when you guys talk to the video?
Yeah.
You can hear everything.
You good? What's up, bro?
Are you recording?
You like ASMR?
I can hear Uncle Woody talking about that. I know.
What do you think of Guam, bro? Welcome to my podcast.
Go for it, bro.
Nah. Take over.
What?
What I missed?
What's up, guys? We're eating right now. Hey. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
So here's the fam. Say hi, fam. Relaxing. 这也是
And of course the cameraman.
outside of Nikko Hotel, Magellan. And yeah.
Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Just want to say thanks for the dinner. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification. Yeah.